Welcome to Mars Frontier. Today's video explores one of the most ambitious space missions ever planned, NASA's Mars Sample Return mission. This mission aims to bring pieces of the red planet back to Earth for the first time in history. For the first time in human history, NASA is preparing to bring pieces of another planet back to Earth. The Mars Sample Return mission is not just another space project, it is one of the most ambitious scientific missions ever attempted. Mars Sample Return is a joint effort led by NASA and its international partners to retrieve carefully selected rock and soil samples from the surface of Mars. These samples were collected by the Perseverance rover inside Jezero Crater, an ancient lakebed that once held water billions of years ago. For decades, robotic explorers have been studying Mars from orbit and from the surface. They've discovered ancient river channels, mineral deposits formed in water, and evidence that Mars was once warmer and wetter than it is today. But to truly understand Mars, scientists need something more powerful than rovers alone. They need real samples. While robotic missions can analyze Mars from afar, laboratories on Earth are far more powerful than anything we can send to space. By studying real Martian material on Earth, scientists can search for signs of ancient microbial life, understand Mars' climate history, and compare it to the early Earth. For decades, robotic explorers have been studying Mars from orbit and from the surface. They've discovered ancient river channels, mineral deposits formed in water, and evidence that Mars was once warmer and wetter than it is today. But to truly understand Mars, scientists need something more powerful than rovers alone. They need real samples. Studying Martian material on Earth allows scientists to use instruments far more advanced than anything that can be sent to space. These labs can analyze chemical signatures, study microscopic structures, and search for possible signs of ancient microbial life. The results could help answer one of humanity's most profound questions: did life ever exist beyond Earth? The Mars Sample Return campaign involves multiple spacecraft working together. Perseverance has already sealed the samples inside ultra-clean tubes and placed them on the Martian surface. A future lander will retrieve these tubes and launch them into Mars orbit, a historic first. An orbiter will then capture the container and begin the long journey back to Earth. Every stage of this mission must work perfectly. There are no second chances on Mars. From precision landings to autonomous robotic transfers and orbital capture, Mars Sample Return represents one of the most challenging engineering efforts ever attempted in planetary exploration. If successful, Mars Sample Return could redefine our understanding of planetary evolution and habitability. It may reveal whether Mars was ever capable of supporting life, and what that means for the future exploration of the solar system. The Mars Sample Return mission involves an unprecedented level of coordination. A future lander will arrive on Mars to retrieve the sealed sample tubes left behind by Perseverance. These samples will be loaded into a small rocket, the first ever to launch from another planet, sending them into Mars orbit. An orbiter will then autonomously capture the container and begin the journey back to Earth. Every phase of Mars sample return carries significant risk. Precise landings, autonomous operations, orbital rendezvous, and planetary protection protocols must all function perfectly. Unlike missions near Earth, real-time human control is impossible. All systems must operate independently, millions of kilometers away. If successful, Mars sample return could redefine planetary science. It may answer whether life ever existed beyond Earth and provide insight into how planets evolve over time. The mission also lays the groundwork for future human exploration of Mars. If you enjoy space exploration, future missions, and scientific discovery, consider liking this video and subscribing to Mars Frontier. Your support helps keep this channel exploring the universe. Thanks for watching. This is Mars Frontier, exploring the next frontier of space.